It just came out of nowhere. Of course, check engine light on the Benz. Little down payment. Keep the rest in your pocket, man. Huge wheels on this. This is ridiculous. It's a 22s. These still go for around 20K, 25K. This is the older one, but yeah, these still with the red interior, boy. Yes, sir. It's looking good. This will be a nice swap too. Like, I will swap out and drive this and sell my Infiniti for sure. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video, man. We at Copart. Y'all see where we at, man. They out here with the trucks. You feel me? I'm just waiting for them to call me in. Y'all know they got the little queue thing they got going on, but we got like a couple of cars to check out today. Two in particular that I really want to check out. One that I really am interested in, but we got to check it out first. Y'all know you got to check these cars out. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna wait for them to call me in, then we're gonna go ahead and get in here. So yeah, let's get it, man. All right, first thing first, we got a G-Wagon here. They all be looking the same to me. This is a 17. This one don't got all the bells and whistles and stuff. Like, well, it might, I guess, for the year, but I mean like the screen and stuff. Like, you know, Mercedes got that big screen and everything now. I'm not sure why this one is here. Man, my head just started like pounding, guys. I need to get something to eat. What happens when you don't eat in the morning? I think I can tell what the new ones look like from, let me see, we can see it. V8. Get my picture real quick. Might as well. So yeah, this is, I think that's the new front end right there. I can't tell, man. All the G-Wagons be looking the same. You can see if we crank up though. Gosh, guys, I literally got a headache. I don't know what happened. It just came out of nowhere. Of course, check engine light on the Benz. Oh, man. Yep. See, this is the type of stuff y'all want me to buy. But this type of stuff right here, when it comes to like cash cars, like you're not going to ever get your money back out of stuff like this. People with this type of money, man, you know, stuff over 10K. Like I tell y'all all the time, bro, they trying to go to the lot. They go into the lot and putting down, you know what I'm saying, on something like this. You feel me? And they keeping their money in their pocket. Little down payment, keep the rest in your pocket, man. Huge wheels on this. This is ridiculous. It's a 22s. Oh, I hope this freaking headache go away, y'all. Like, this is crazy. It just came out of nowhere. Like the top right side of my head. Okay. I ain't eat today though, so I already know kind of what's going on. Definitely need a step stool for that, boy. Nice cars over here today. See, stuff like this, you know, Gladiator. See, like this only got 5,000 miles on it. Might as well say 6,000. 2022. What is these? Speed calibrator. Huh. I don't know what that is. They probably got some fancy stuff hooked up in here. I'm not sure why the screen not coming on. Oh, there you go. Big boy Jeep. We got all the shocks and stuff. I mean, yep, shocks and everything. All right. Let's keep it moving now.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Make sure you go to wehustledaily.com if you're interested in learning how to buy, sell, properly inspect cars at the auction. Learn all my tips and tricks on how I've been able to buy all these nice cars and make all this money, guys. Here are some testimonials right here, as you can see how I've been able to help other people in this business. Click the link in the description below, wehustledaily.com.
All right, here we go. So we came here to see this car. It's a Q50 here. It did get hit in the back here. All-wheel drive. Got some front damage as well. It's a 2016 model. Is it cooling in there? Is it cooling? Let's see. Yeah. It's a little in there. Dang. Fender, bumper, everything. So this one gonna be a little bit. It's not that bad though. Just a couple of parts. If you don't find black, that it's gonna have to be painted, and it's adding up. Ah. I need power. Okay. I need power. I might go get a jump box. Give me a second. Yeah, give me a sec. Okay, I'm gonna have to go get a jump box, but let's. Did I turn the car off? Yeah, I did. It's got 80,000 miles on it, by the way. But let's look at it and see what's going on here before I go do all that. Okay. I need to look up under here. Let's see if it's bad. Alright, I'm gonna have to do that off camera. But let's see what else we got. So the tail light here is a little loose. I think that's because of the bumper. Probably wedged it. Oh, it's actually got a little piece here. To make that no better. So bumper, guys. Fender. Swell. Stop doing that before I need another door. And front bumper, of course. Hood is fine. Yes, hood is fine. Hood is fine. All right. Okay. We're gonna get the jump box, so I'm gonna go over and walk over here to the other car first. But yeah, we're gonna look at this for sure. So I'll be right back with this one. All right, guys. So we got a Range Rover now. In the pictures, it didn't look like it was hit this bad. I ain't gonna lie. So I think this is the rear frame rail here. I think that's what that would be. The bolts are missing. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, these still go for around 20K, 25K. This is the older one, but yeah, these still, it's crazy because Range Rover don't got a good, you know, track record as far as, reliability, but yeah. They still going for a lot of money. We got a Porsche here. With the red interior, boy. Yes, sir. Nice. Y'all think these are girls type of cars? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments below. I think they could pass for dude cars. I like them. They straight. I definitely ride one. And they got this Benz here. They got the new RX. I love the color in the new RX, bro. This color is disgusting. This is like one of the best colors. Uh-oh. Got a GS, y'all. These sell pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. They just expensive. These boys still expensive. 2014 and all of that. Don't matter. Let's see the damage on this one. Right here. Okay. So this is fine here. It's just this crinkle right here. I'm thinking how much this will cost to fix. Because I don't know if they got to cut and like do all that. You know what I'm saying? Or could you just bondo this, you know, straighten it out and pass inspection? I'm not sure. The only thing that's concerning me is this part right here. Because last time, y'all know, like, boy, expensive, boy. Let me tell you. But I see this G35 right here. Let me check this out. There you go. Got another Range Rover. Where's that? There it is, right in front of me. Nice, nice, nice. Damn, rims off the tire off the rim. Is that it? So we might have some suspension issues with this. Yeah, probably most likely they ran into a ditch and something or something like that. See if it'll crank up. I'm sorry, y'all. My head is like pounding. Like it don't crank up too. There we go get that freaking jump box. On the miles. Motor sounds a little funny. All right, let's go get this jump box, man.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.
All right, y'all, so we got it cranked up and it sounds pretty good, if I say so myself. Airbag light is on. 80,000. Wait, oh my bad. 106,000 miles, not 80,000. Airbag light is on though, but no airbag was deployed. This one in way better condition than that one that we was probably gonna buy from that lady that time. Even though that was a rebuilt title, this would be salvage, and of course it need a little TLC as far as the rear bumper and the fender and the front bumper. So it's kind of a lot, but it's not. It's kind of a lot, but it's not. You know what I mean? I don't know why the airbag light on though, so probably need to be something need to be changed, but let's see. probably gonna be in this car because we got a lot of parts. Yeah, this car ride, bro. I like it. Huh. I like it. I think it bent this a little bit. Yeah, it did. It's just a lot of, it's like stuff everywhere. If it had like just been the rear, I would have been like, all right, boom, it's just the rear. You know, but we got the rear, we got the front. But I think it was hit in the rear for sure. Okay. So I'm gonna chill with it for a second, guys. Let me just make sure everything's copacetic on it, but pretty sure nothing gonna be wrong with this car, bro. This car is it's looking good. This will be a nice swap too. Like, I would swap out and drive this and sell my Infiniti for sure. You know, 2016 Q. Yeah, we'll see. I like it though, I do. It's just, we'll see. I really don't need to be looking nothing for myself to drive, honestly. I need to be looking for something to flip. But this could potentially be flipped as well, so we'll just have to see. All right, I'll be back with y'all in a few. All right, y'all, and just like that, we'll see what the Infiniti end up going for. They only got $1,600 on there right now. The last one that sold, that white one, how much did that sell for? That one was kind of expensive, but I think they had lower miles. See, this one got 100,000, so I might, like, cars were like 100,000, like, well, if it's like at 100,000, you still got to pay for it, but like, it's cheaper than it being 80,000 miles, you know what I mean? So we'll see if we can get that car for a good price. I gotta, you know, of course, calculate the money that has to be put in the car, as far as the front bumper, back bumper, probably tail light, fender, you know what I mean? So we'll have to see about that. But and then again, you know, we'll see, man. We'll just see what happens, you feel me? So let me go and get up out of here. I appreciate y'all for tuning in and rocking with me, man. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray, man. I'm out. Peace.